Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we are going to talk about the alignment of this highway. Now the PNP under Portia Simpson Miller had and planned to build a highway from Harborview to from Harborview to Portland, but their alignment would be building the road more inland. Basically, a new road would have been cut going through the middle, more inland of the parish. Now decided to, the GLP also planned to build a road, but they went ahead and built the road along the existing roadway, a different alignment from the PNP alignment. They used the existing road that ran along the coast and upgraded it from Harborview to Yalos, which is the section we're driving on now. The road was upgraded to 4 lanes. But from Yalos to Port Antonio, the existing road wasn't widened. It remained 2 lanes, but they just basically paved it over. But the road has been damaged. The road has not even been opened. I don't even think the project is finished. They opened this section that we're driving on, but the project hasn't even finished, and sections of the road have been damaged. And now the government is talking about a new alignment. I'm just going to read a quote. "The real solution to this problem is to realign the road, to move the road from the coast," he said, adding that a decision has been taken by the government to move the nation's roads as much as possible inland and change alignments away from the sea or waterways. This, Holness stated, would be done over the long term, where another road would be built more inland, and the purpose of that is to create new communities along those roads. "We have actually started with the development and the identification and acquisition of lands for the Port Antonio bypass, and then over time connect that bypass with a road that is more inland that will lead us now to be connected to the section of Harborview to Yalos," he said. So guys, I want to ask you a question. Do you think the PNP alignment should have been used originally, taking the road more inland? Now from Harborview to Yalos, this road, but as the statement we just read said, basically the government is saying they should have moved the road more inland, which is the original plan that the PNP had. So guys, what do you think? Do you think the road should have been built more inland? Because, I mean, even when we were doing the videos when the road was being constructed, we always asked the question, why is the road so close to the sea? And Jamaica and this section of the island suffers from hurricanes. Not suffers, is affected by hurricanes. So what do you think about the alignment? Do you think the original alignment should have been used? Or do you think they did the right thing in upgrading, keeping the current alignment? Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.